Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing rocket. First, let's cover the basics of vertical takeoff and landing. You'll need to select lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber, for the main body of your rocket. A stable design is crucial, so ensure your rocket has a wide base to support a smooth landing. We'll focus on simple, effective methods to get you started on your rocket building journey today. Next, let's talk about propulsion and control. Selecting a reliable motor with enough thrust is key for vertical flight. For directional control, you can implement a basic thrust vectoring system. Small fins are also very useful for maintaining aerodynamic stability as your rocket ascends and descends. These elements work together to give you precise command over your rocket's trajectory. Now for the landing gear and software. You'll want to construct simple, deployable landing legs that can absorb impact effectively. Integrating an altimeter and an accelerometer will provide essential flight data. Then, program a basic flight controller to manage the autonomous landing sequences. This combination ensures a controlled and gentle touchdown, protecting your rocket from damage. Finally, it's time for testing and refinement. Start with low-altitude test flights to verify that all your systems are functioning correctly. Carefully analyze the flight data to identify any areas that need improvement or adjustment. Remember, iteration is key to success in rocket building. Also, for other great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below. Keep refining your design, and soon you'll have a reliable landing rocket.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.